GitHub Projects is a planning and tracking tool when working on GitHub repos, and a project has an adaptable view that can be changed at any time between a spreadsheet, a task board, and a roadmap. So that's kind of the screen where you choose what kind of view you want. Projects directly integrate with issues and pull requests. Projects have built-in workflows to automate common actions. So the idea is that a GitHub project is composed of multiple views, and you can add more views to your project. Each view's layout can be changed at any time to accommodate the project use case. So if you set up a view, you can change it whenever you want. So let's take a look at what the table looks like. So this is a great layout if you want a traditional ticket tracking system, or you have a large amount of tasks. Then we have the board. This is a great layout for agile tasks. And if you need to understand clearly the state of your issues, it's your basic Kanban board. And then we have a roadmap. This is great if you're trying to plan for tasks based on a timeline. We call these normally Gantt charts. So that's kind of what that is there. For your layout, you can configure your data based on multiple options. So we got fields, columns, group by, sort by, field sum, slice by, zoom level, and dates. I'm not reading through all this because I didn't see it on the exam. So, these are pretty straightforward, and you can read these if you want, but yeah. So your GitHub project items have custom fields. You can create new fields and add and provide options to easily fill in those fields. And I mean, that's pretty much the start of it, but there we go.